Hey, Bill here with 30-Minute Woodshop. Thanks for joining. So I want to share something with you that I got really excited about. I'm working on my plane till, my plane gallery to go with my plane till. And a friend of mine, Cody, came over. Shout out to Cody, thank you very much. Came over and dropped off some pencils here. They're MyLifeUNIT mechanical pencils. All right. So normally, like most people, we use these standard number 2 wood pencils. I got tons of these laying around, but they're not. I got to keep them sharp all the time. They're not as accurate as I would like in many cases. So these are really cool. They're 2mm lead, which is most of the time you see these at half a mil, 0.5 mil, or a 0.7 mil. And those are pretty fine, pretty small leads. They get caught and broken in the grain if you have any kind of open grain wood at all. These things are really stout. Not as stout as these 5mm crayons that they sell, which I don't really like. I got a couple of those, and they're great for marking some stuff, but not for actually doing any kind of woodwork. These things are great. So come on in here. I'll show you some of the advantages. Okay. First of all, this particular package comes with 2. So you have 2 different colors. The reason is you can put 2 different kinds of lead in them. If you look at this, there's a little ring here that you can rotate, and that ring will tell you what your lead hardness is. This one's set for 2B. This one's set for 2B also. And it comes with 2 packs of lead. Let's see what the lead says here. So I have one of these sets is HB, and one is 2B. Okay, so it comes with lead. Easy to use, obviously. It's like any, just punch it out. But you can see how thick that lead is. All right, that lead is nice and thick. Matter of fact, I think it's the same size lead as you get in a lead pencil. Now, here's an interesting little thing it's got with it. At the end of it, down here, right, it's got a little sharpener. Run that thing through a couple times, and your pencil is sharp. So these things are going to be absolutely phenomenal. I tell you what. So I'm probably going to end up getting a couple more of these. So far, they've been a great help. Anyway, just wanted you guys to see this. I'll put a link in the bottom so you can find these on Amazon or wherever else you want to look. Again, you want to look for yourself. They're a MyLifeUNIT mechanical pencil set. All right. I think they go for about between $7 and $12 depending on the number you buy. Anyway, as always, check out my blog here, 30minutewoodshop.com. I hope you got something out of this, and if you did, till next time, good making.